Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to pass subscriber name from ConvertKit to WordPress. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper, and this is a step-by-step guide. So just simply follow along. So guys, first just simply go to the ConvertKit, and after that just simply navigate to your subscriber list, and from there just simply export it as a CSV file. And from there, guys, in the ConvertKit, just simply create a tag to categorize your subscribers if you want to filter out or organize them better. And from there, just simply go to the WordPress. And in the WordPress dashboard, just simply go to the users, just simply go to the subscribers. And after that, just simply click on the plus icon and add subscribers. And after that, just simply select import a CSV, and from there just simply select the tag or other sources to import subscribers into, and from there just simply upload the CSV file that contains your convert key subscriber list, and from there you can map the columns from the CSV file to corresponding fields. So pretty much it will be depending on your preferences in order to you to map out the columns. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and click on import subscribers so you can complete the process. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.